Today we're gonna be making chicken katsu. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this in half, and then afterwards we're just gonna start beating it. My sister's right there, and it's embarrassing. When you beat meat, are you supposed to put it in like a plastic bag?
No.
Okay. I just see all those other videos, like they all put it in plastic bags. Now it's time to beat my meat. This is embarrassing. I can't even make my jokes when you're here. I can't even make my jokes. How to make chicken katsu.
This might be one of my first chicken breast.
For some reason my microphone stopped working, so you're gonna have to sit through this very bad voiceover. Now we're just getting the stations ready to get our chicken ready to fry so we can make into some chicken katsu. And for seasoning, we're gonna use garlic salt, pepper, and paprika. When you coat your chicken, you're gonna make sure there is no bald spots, or you're just gonna have a bunch of empty spots that are not gonna get fried. Now we're gonna fry the chicken, and you're gonna put it in as perfectly as I do, just like that. I totally didn't burn myself once or twice. The chicken's not fitting. Even though it didn't fit, we cooked it till it was nice and golden. Oh my god. Look at that. Bro, my chicken looks so good. I just remembered it's juicy. I just realized I didn't have rice. So I'm about to go make some rice right now. Going to have a little taste test, and not surprisingly, it's super good. And don't worry, I didn't forget you. Here you go. It looks less good cut up, but it's pretty good. I ate almost all of the other chicken while I was waiting for the rice to cook. But that's how you make the best chicken katsu in the world.